Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to generate Chatgpt prompts using Chatgpt. So already we have discussed about AIPRM extensions. So in that, what are the important options available to generate prompt? So and how we can generate a perfect prompt for our answer to be generated. That is our outcome based prompts, how we generate. So let us go on to today's video and explore how we can generate prompts using Chatgpt. Open your Chatgpt. So we have already discussed about how to make AIPRM Chatgpt prompts. So you have to download AIPRM extensions and you have add in Google Chrome. So after adding Google Chrome, you will get this AIPRM Chatgpt prompts. So here what you have to do is in search you have to enter prompt. So after entering, so you will get around 322 options to generate prompt. So let us explore what are the best one to will be apt for our content creations. So let us explore. So here click that universal have some Chatgpt prompt. So prompt to generate about procedure to write research article. So I am going to click in. So it will generating the content. So here our content is generator. So next, this is the important option I have told that prompt generator for AIPRM prompts. So you need to need a prompt to use with AIPRM. Just let Chatgpt make it for you. However, to see details, it is fill in the tags. It's ready to insert a prompt template. Example, input a prompt to create a viral tweet based on a topic. So here what I am going to give is a prompt to generate literature survey on a topic. So I am going to click enter. So here you can see choose a topic that you are interested in what and want to go on further. So you have to click on your topic and you can generate using these prompts. Next, conduct a preliminary search of scholarly literature. So like that you can use this option to make a perfect prompt for your research article. So next one is create a high quality prompt. So create a high quality prompt you need in Chatgpt. So like that you can click this option and you can create the prompt also. So next one is stable diffusion prompt generator. Create prompt for anything. So create a prompt that Chatgpt will engineer a prompt for itself. So thereby you can create a best content related for that particular prompt. So next one is so you can use this option. This prompt is fantastic one. Like a pro, write a quality content. So if you need a quality content, you can use this option. Like a pro, we can write quality content. So next one is book writing with Midjourney prompt. So write a book with multiple characters with a Midjourney prompt for its visuals. So it can include all the visuals related with that particular topic also. So you can make use of that. So this is a normal Midjourney prompt generator, playground AI prompt generator. So next one is job story prompt generator. So perfect prompt generation for ChatGPT with questions. So you can click on this and you can explore and you can generate a different prompts to generate content using ChatGPT. So next, ChatGPT will make perfect prompts. So Turbo GPT makes AI to get it better. Best prompts, new YouTube scripts. So you can create prompts for to generate your YouTube's transcript. For that you can make new prompts. So next one is, so you can see a prompt generator, best ChatGPT prompt generator. So best prompts, YouTube story from a story. So next one is human like content rewriter prompt. So we have already have an option called human like writing, that is AI content writing. So for that here you can use this prompt also to get your content written like human. So next one is tattoo prompt generator, hyper realistic mid journey prompt. Next is ChatGPT jailbreak, more than powerful than. So it is one of the important prompt where you can use the different options. It is that is this prompt turns ChatGPT into an unrestricted and non-moral model. So you can use this one to create different things which is not formally being created. So you can use this kind of prompt. Next, universal prompt template generator. Stop creating prompts from scratch everywhere and take your workflows to the next level with universal prompt template generator. Create optimized prompts in seconds. So you can click make use of this option. This is one of the important option here, universal prompt template generator. So next one, best prompt with writing customized resumes, 100% uncensored prompts. So here I am only discussing the prompts which is related for our research article preparation and content creation or any blog post creation. There are many other different prompts will be available for different kind of applications. You can make use of this and explore with this AIPRM extensions. So next, mid journey prompt generator, first to one click prompt generator. So like that so here you can see ask ChatGPT to revise the prompt if you want to get the best possible answer. This is one of the important option. So one click prompt generator. Next one is one prompt to rule them all. So make your perfect ChatGPT prompt at any topic with improvement suggestion and assistive questions from ChatGPT itself. So this is what I have told him. So you can make a prompt for ChatGPT using ChatGPT. Next, best prompt for writing customized cover letters. Here you can see perfect prompt. So I create a perfect prompt for multi-purposes. So next, prompt generator. You are a powerful prompt generator. Your purposes is to gather information about my goals and objectives. So you can use this option also. So like that, there are many different, around 322 different prompts are available. So you can make use of this AIPRM ChatGPT prompts to create your own prompts where you can you will be very useful for your content creation, research article preparation. Hope this video will be helpful for you. You can explore this AIPRM extension to create different types of prompts. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.